Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is U.S. Immigration Attorney Hardam Tripathi from Trip Law. Today, I want to share some exciting news. If you happen to be a resident in Central Florida, our law office operates in Lakeland, Florida, which is right between Orlando and Tampa, Florida. So, if you are someone who is a U.S. citizen that just got naturalized, or maybe you're just a U.S. citizen wanting to get a passport, or maybe you're an immigrant watching this and you're wanting to see what the options are for you once you one day obtain that citizenship and apply for that U.S. passport, well, good news. We want to share with you that actually Representative Maxwell Frost's office, who does a really great job for immigrants all across Central Florida, has actually pushed an effort with the U.S. State Department to ultimately get a new passport office basically situated in Orlando. Now, this is going to take up to a year or so to actually get the office. The General Services Administration, the GSA, is currently working on trying to get this passport office location and get it set up. But the good news is that Orlando won out of a lot of other cities that wanted to qualify for this. And based on the population and the backlogs of all these passports, you as a Central Florida resident no longer have to go all the way to Miami or to Atlanta, Georgia to basically get your passport. Rather, you can go to Orlando now in about a year or so, actually, but once it's all set up. But you now have an option to get your passport in Orlando. So right now, what we have noticed is that the State Department is handling a lot of cases for passports. There's a lot of people who want to travel out of country pretty immediately. They want to expedite their applications. They want to get that passport issued so that they can travel. Very important, actually, right? So there's different passport counters at local U.S. post offices already, and actually county clerk of courts as well. But right now, basically what's going on is it's in process where Orlando is set to get a new passport office operated by the U.S. State Department, and it's the second office location now in Florida after Miami. So it actually helps with the backlogs. And the offices, remember, are appointments only, so you're going to have to actually go get an appointment to go to that passport office to basically obtain that passport. Furthermore, there's going to be extra fees associated with that government filing fees that you have to pay to ultimately expedite the process if you want your passport sooner rather than later based on your urgent travel needs. Now, these are very seriously backed up right now because originally Miami was the only office in the state of Florida. But now with Orlando opening up, it's going to reduce that backlog. Now, Maxwell Frost, the congressman in that area, has been pushing this with the State Department for a while, and it's finally coming to fruition, which is great news for you watching this video today. So we want to definitely give a shout out to Congressman Frost. We want to really say congratulations to all the immigrants, or U.S. citizens, who are wanting to apply for the passport, because now you have so many other options now to travel to get that passport right here in your own backyard here in Orlando, Florida. So we hope that you found this nugget of information very informative. Right now, we also want to let you know that new passport offices also opened up if you're watching this from throughout the U.S. Basically, it opened up in Cincinnati, it opened up in San Antonio, it opened up in Kansas City, Salt Lake City, and also Charlotte. So we are seeing more passport offices opening up throughout the United States to reduce the backlog. And currently, if you look at 2023 numbers based on this year, 2024, from fiscal year 2023, the U.S. State Department actually issued over 24 million passport books and cards, and 48% of Americans have passports. So more than half of the United States populace does not have a passport. So these are very striking numbers I wanted to share with you. So if you're interested in traveling and obtaining that passport, please visit your Orlando passport office when it does come to fruition and opens up. And if you have any questions about how to obtain a passport or what the process entails, please feel free to reach out to our law firm at Trip Law, and our number here is 863-370-2427. We hope to hear from you. We hope to assist you on this journey to travel the world, obtain that United States passport, which is very coveted, and basically all the hard work done by the congressman and the hard work we will do for you as your attorney. We hope to make sure that you live that American dream, have the freedom to travel, and get your passport in time. So thank you so much for listening in. We wish you the best of luck with your immigration journey and your travel journey, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time.